Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and a very good day, dear students. I am Mrs. Rosina Sharik, your English teacher from Multan Public School and College. I hope that you all will be fine and fit in enjoying your vacation, and at the same time, you all will be staying at home. May Allah Pak shower His blessing upon us. Ameen. Dear students, as you all know that in your course you're having three books. Book number one is Progressive English book, that is for comprehension purpose. Book number two is a grammar tree book, and book number three is a reader, The Railway Children, that is for literature purpose. As you can see that today's topic is selected from English grammar tree, book number 7. Dear students, in class 6 you have done in detail about all the parts of speech and their types. In this book you will come to know about the pronouns, types of pronouns, and the common mistakes which the students do while using these pronouns. So for the brainstorming, I will just tell you about what is a pronoun. A pronoun is defined as a word or phrase that takes the place of a noun or other nouns in a context or sentence. Pronouns are short words that can do everything that nouns can do and take the place of any person, place, animal, or thing. For example, I, we, they, you, his, her, its, mine, ours, theirs, hers, his, myself, himself, herself, themselves, etc. As you can see that these all are the examples of the pronouns, and these are different kinds of types of pronouns. And you know where you use these pronouns. We are done in class 6 in detail. There were so many exercises in grammar book number 6, in which we had done all the activities of these pronouns. Here I am much more concerned about the types of pronouns and the common mistakes that students do while using these pronouns. And at the end of this chapter, at the end of every topic, every type, there is an exercise which you have to do, and then you will come to know how to tackle these mistakes. First, consider these sentences. Nasir plays cricket with Ali. Nasir likes to play cricket with Ali. Nasir and Ali like to play cricket together. You can see that these sentences are without pronouns, and there is a repetition of nouns in these sentences, and it doesn't look nice. थोड़ा odd लगता है ये. Now consider these sentences with pronouns. Nasir plays cricket with Ali. He likes to play cricket with him. They like to play cricket together. Now these nouns are replaced by the pronouns in these sentences, and the sentences now they are becoming more considerable, more good with the use of these pronouns. Now come to the types of pronouns. There are so many types of pronouns. You know that pronouns is a very huge topic, and there are a lot of different types of pronouns, and there are too many grammatical points relating to these pronouns. But as I told you that I'm much more concerned about the mistakes the students make about using these pronouns. So first of all, we start with personal pronouns. Here there are four types are mentioned: personal pronouns, reflexive pronouns, indefinite pronouns, interrogative pronouns. First of all, we will consider the personal pronouns. Personal pronouns that the pronouns that talk about the people are called personal pronouns. They are related to people. For even pronoun it, that the pronoun it is considered as personal pronoun. Kinds of personal pronouns, there are three kinds of personal pronouns: subject, subject pronouns, object pronouns, and possessive pronouns. Subject pronoun is used in the position of the subject, in the place of the subject in a sentence. For example, I saw Sana yesterday. Here I is a subject pronoun. We can use any other subject pronouns in this sentence. We saw Sana yesterday, you saw Sana yesterday, he saw Sana yesterday, she saw Sana yesterday, they saw Sana yesterday. So you can see that all these pronouns are in subject. These are subject pronouns. Next is object pronouns. Object pronouns are those pronouns that are used in the object position. You can see what are the object pronouns: me, us, you, him, her, it, them. Now consider this example. Sana saw them yesterday. Them is object pronoun that is used in the position of, in the place of object. सना saw them. them जो है वो object pronoun है. अब इसके साथ हम कोई और भी object लगा सकते हैं. that Sana saw me yesterday, Sana saw us yesterday, Sana saw you yesterday. Next is possessive pronouns. As you know that possession mean belonging. So possessive pronouns are those pronouns that show possessiveness of anything or anything which you have, जो आपकी मिल्कियत है, जो आपकी है. For example, my and mine, our and ours, you plural as yours, his, her, hers, its, theirs. Now see this example. This is our home and this house is ours. This is our home, this house is ours. These are possessive pronouns. Now come to the common mistake that students do while using these personal pronouns. The common mistake is, let's see, noun and pronoun. I is in subject pronoun, me is an object pronoun. जब हम इनको noun और pronoun को combine करते हैं, pronoun और noun को जब हम combine करते हैं subject में, तो स्टूडेंट्स किस तरह उसमें मिस्टेक करते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल कंसिडर दिस सेंटेंस, नासिर एंड अली प्ले टुगेदर. ये नाउन है, बट सपोज नासिर इज सेइंग दिस. नासिर ये कह रहा है, नासिर ये बात कर रहा है. तो नासिर ये बात कैसे कहेगा? नासिर हियर, नासिर इज सब्जेक्ट. नासिर ये बात कर रहा है. आई एंड अली प्ले टुगेदर. 4 सेंटेंसेस हैं, इनमें से कोई एक करेक्ट है, वो हमने देखना है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, जब सब्जेक्ट में मिस्टेक्स आती है, जब सब्जेक्ट हो, तो आई एंड अली प्ले टुगेदर, अली एंड आई प्ले टुगेदर, मी एंड अली प्ले टुगेदर, अली एंड मी प्ले टुगेदर. अब इसमें हमें सब्जेक्ट को देखना है. सब्जेक्ट. अब नाउ कंसिडर थर्ड एंड फोर्थ सेंटेंसेस. इसमें सब्जेक्ट नहीं है, मी इज अ ऑब्जेक्ट. तो हमने ऑब्जेक्ट नहीं देखना, हमने सब्जेक्ट को देखना है. तो ये तो ऑब्जेक्ट वाले सेंटेंस हैं दो. मी एंड अली प्ले टुगेदर, ये कैंसिल हो गया बिकॉज ऑब्जेक्ट प्रोनाउन इज यूज्ड. देन अली एंड मी प्ले टुगेदर, हियर ऑल्सो सब्जेक्ट प्रोनाउन, ऑब्जेक्ट प्रोनाउन इज यूज्ड. ये 2 तो कैंसिल हो गए. अब रह गए 2. जो नंबर 1 है, आई एंड अली प्ले टुगेदर, ये इतना पोलाइट नहीं लगता, इसलिए कि हम हमेशा जो है अपने आप को आपने पीछे रखना है तो वो ज़्यादा रिस्पेक्टेबल लगता है, अपना इतना पोलाइट नहीं लगता। हम हमेशा अपने आप को, जब हम दो के बारे में बात करते हैं तो हमें हमेशा अपने आप को बाद में रखना चाहिए। इट लुक्स मोर पोलाइट, मोर रिस्पेक्टेबल इन इंग्लिश। सो आई एंड अली प्ले टुगेदर, नो, इसके अंदर सब्जेक्ट पहले आ रहा है तो हम इसको नहीं कंसिडर करेंगे। अली एंड आई प्ले टुगेदर, दैट वुड बी करेक्ट। ओके, ये तो हो गया जब सब्जेक्ट कंबाइन करते हुए, जब सब्जेक्ट पहले यूज़ हो। अब आता है नेक्स्ट, कंसिडर दीज सेंटेंसेस, जिसमें ऑब्जेक्ट को पहले लाना है। सो ऑब्जेक्ट है इसमें, द टीचर गेव द, फॉर एग्जाम्पल कंसिडर दिस सेंटेंस, द टीचर गेव द प्रोजेक्ट टू नासिर एंड अली। अब आप ये सपोज करें कि अली इज सेइंग दिस, अली ये बात कर रहा है, अली इज सेइंग दिस, तो उसमें ये क्या होगा, फोर सेम उसी तरह से फोर हैं। द टीचर गेव द प्रोजेक्ट टू आई एंड नासिर, अब ये अली ये बात कर रहा है, ठीक है। द टीचर गेव द प्रोजेक्ट टू नासिर एंड आई, द टीचर गेव द प्रोजेक्ट टू मी एंड नासिर, द टीचर गेव द प्रोजेक्ट टू नासिर एंड मी। नाउ अगेन, first consider first two sentences. Here subject pronoun is used, और हमने बात करनी है ऑब्जेक्ट की। यहाँ पर ऑब्जेक्ट प्रोनाउन को देखना है हमने, क्योंकि इसमें ऑब्जेक्ट बात कर रहा है। सो तो ऑब्जेक्ट प्रोनाउन, तो ये तो कैंसिल हो गया फर्स्ट टू, क्योंकि इसके अंदर सब्जेक्ट आ रहा है, सब्जेक्ट प्रोनाउन यूज हो रहा है। थर्ड वन इज अगेन सेम इज द केस, कि हमेशा पोलाइट वही लगता है जिसके अंदर ऑब्जेक्ट जो है जब बात कर रहा है तो वो अपने आप को हमेशा बाद में रखेगा। द टीचर गेव द प्रोजेक्ट टू मी एंड नासिर, द टीचर गेव द प्रोजेक्ट टू नासिर एंड मी। सो नासिर एंड मी इज़ द बेटर ऑप्शन, क्योंकि इसके अंदर दूसरा बंदा पहले आ रहा है, तो it looks more polite. Second mistake which the students do about using these pronouns is use of apostrophe. They often use apostrophe. इनमें apostrophe नहीं लगता। अगर आप इसमें apostrophe use करेंगे, that would be totally wrong. So ours, yours, hers, its, theirs. There will be no use of apostrophe. Dear student, this was all about personal pronouns, the types of personal pronoun, subject, object and possessive pronouns, and the mistakes the students do while using these pronouns. Now in your grammar tree book 7, I hope that it would be clear to you. So you go to your grammar book tree 7 and do page number 6 and 7 on book, and in this page, these mistakes what I have told you in this lesson, so you can do it by yourself and just send me your images of that pages which you have done by WhatsApp. Then I will let you know that you have understood this properly or not. Okay, goodbye. Next, I will discuss you with another type of pronoun, that is reflexive pronoun, and the mistake about it. Till then, goodbye, dear students. Allah Hafiz.